In this video, I'm going to be installing a tow hitch system on our Volvo XC90. All right, the hitch is installed, bolted in, torqued down. Now that that's out of the way, let's watch some old Robert DIY retakes. Do 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 do. Launch, people. You got I guess, an icon and a screen name, but that doesn't play it. Making this video to let you know that, hey, I appreciate the offer. However, I can't do business on YouTube. I don't know. I don't even know who you are. You got I guess, an icon and a screen name, but that doesn't identify who you are. I have no idea how to contact you other than leaving another message or replying to this message that you made. That doesn't get me anywhere. I have over 2,000 videos on YouTube. There's no way I can even find this message a couple of days later. I get so many messages from so many different videos and comments that even if I wanted to, I couldn't find this message in a couple of days to properly interact with you to conduct business. So I said all that to say this: if you want me to help you in any capacity according to this message that you just left me, you need to call or text me or email me. Go to my website, robertspinner.com or robertdiy.com, and find my contact information so that you can contact me properly, and then we can conduct business from there. Other than that, this comment that you've left here is a comment that probably won't go anywhere else, because I usually can't find these things a couple days later or even know who you are to conduct business properly. So if you want my help, or you want me to help you with something, or you want to help me with something, you got to call, text, or email me from my website. Thanks. Hope you understand. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching. If you made it this far, I trust that you found some information that was either useful or entertaining, so go ahead and hit the like button. And if you would like notification of future videos that I post, please subscribe to the channel. I appreciate your support. You can follow me on other social media apps by looking for @RobertDIY. Some form of that should bring up the other channels that I have on places like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and so forth. If for some reason you need some more personal help, go to my website at robertdiy.com and use the phone number that I have posted there to send me a text message, or you can email me. If you have questions or comments, please make a comment below. And if you'd like to make some kind of financial contribution to what I got going on here, go to my channel and hit the more link at the end of the introduction statement, and it'll show you different ways that you can support me financially. Again, thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day. If you made it this far in this video, hey, I was just joking. I am going to post the video of me installing this tow hitch real soon. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you have a great day. What's this? Not sure what that is. I'm going to ask some guys on Volvo Speed.